Today I'm having breakfast by my little kitchen garden. The basil smells amazing. Welcome to our health and wellness family. Today I'm having eggs with red and green peppers. This breakfast is high in protein, high in vitamin C, with lots of antioxidants. I love orchids. They're so beautiful. We're gonna also make some matcha green tea. Let's talk about some of the health benefits of matcha. Matcha improves brain function, is heart healthy, it also protects the liver, it also has anti-inflammatory benefits, lots of antioxidants, and it also provides stable energy and reduce stress and anxiety. Add about a half a teaspoon to the mug. Add some hot water. Add about half a cup of coconut milk. Add only a little dash of monk fruit because this is very sweet. This is great that a little goes a long way. Now use your bamboo whisk and mix evenly. So there you have it, a delicious cup of matcha green tea. Now let's talk about some of the health benefits of basil. Basil is rich in powerful antioxidants like flavonoids to protect our bodies from oxidative stress and diseases. Basil has anti-inflammatory benefits. It also has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, which supports the immune system. Basil is rich in nutrients. It has vitamins A, C, K, along with calcium and iron. Basil also helps to regulate blood sugar, and it's also great for the skin with its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. I am very grateful and thankful, and it's a beautiful feeling to have breakfast by your little kitchen garden. It's a wonderful feeling to have scallion growing in your kitchen garden that I'm gonna use to prepare dinner. Right now I have about 5 stalks of scallion growing in this pot. I'm gonna get about 3 or so more. You can cut them low like this. They will grow back within a few days. Please comment below what are some of the things you have growing in your kitchen garden. I am so happy and thankful that I get some scallion from my little kitchen garden to use for dinner later. I am excited to see what I can grow next, considering the space by the window. I am about to enjoy this delicious and healthy breakfast by my little kitchen garden. I am sharing. To help you improve your health, there's a free natural and holistic health guide at my Stan store. And for more healthy recipes, please check out my book and my natural and holistic health course at shirleenwees.com or my Stan store. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.